No matter what they tell you, baby, keep your head up. This world cold out here, just get your bread up. I learned the hard way, but still live the good life. That's cause I had to get it wrong before I got it right. I'm living major like I'm playing in the big leagues. These niggas hating, man, they still having wet dreams. True lies, but they never knew what that means. I keep it pushing, my niggas, see I don't sell dreams. I sell rap, and this is all fact. It took a couple years, but I'm still making stacks. I'm where I need to be, and I'ma keep accelerating. I'm headed to the top, I think we need a celebration. No time for hesitation, I'll be your demonstration. Just get your education, illuminate the nation. I spit 100 bars just to keep on elevating. Now that's a sweet 16, you do the calculations. Keep it moving, get your bread right. Just keep it moving, get your bread right. Just keep it moving, you'll be alright. Just keep it moving, you'll be alright. Just keep it moving. Just keep it moving. Just keep it moving. Just keep it moving. They say the sky's the limit, but that's not mine. Shining brighter than the star when I spit these lines. Mighty clever and I'm dope like I sniffed that line. Keep it moving every day, boy, I stay on the grind. I had a dream to be the man, so I'm grinding for it. All them bullshit stories, I ain't falling for it. You gotta take what you want, this world is mine. You like that Scarface ending? That won't be mine. Let's just say I'm different, one of a kind. You see your boy about his money, I ain't blinded by pride. I'm on a mission to work hard, so I'ma grind till I get it. Gotta be number one and I'ma fight to the finish.
Escobar style, hit me on the dial. 352-875-4721.
Caesar. Keep it moving, get your bread right. Just keep it moving, get your bread right. Just keep it moving, you'll be alright. Just keep it moving, you'll be alright.